Okay, there we go. I think it will start to burn now. Okay, there we go. A little slow start today. It's because of the weather is quite cold. Okay, now we see it right away. We see it definitely, it's a higher temperature on this side where we have the conventional intumescent, while on this side it looks still intact. And Ole, can you join us for a couple of questions?
Of course.
Why do we need to do a system test?
Because furnace testing is based on room fires. And our products, especially the cavity barrier, is never mounted inside a room.
Yeah.
It's behind the cladding on the facade. And when it burns like this,
Right.
which is a different exposure, different behavior than the furnace testing. So this is essentially a mock-up of a large-scale test in a very small format.
Yep.
But there you have the same. You have a N-heptane or propane or wood crib that is
look
set
at
on
that.
fire.
Yeah. What we're seeing here is called the chimney effect, right?
That is the chimney effect.
Yep.
It pulls the fire with the hot air and gases as it moves up the cavity, which can lead to ignition of combustible materials and flame impingement on cavity barriers, windows, details, what have you. And this is really one of the reasons why facade fires can spread tremendously quickly if there aren't proper cavity barriers installed.
And just to make it clear, what we are doing here and simulating on this side, it is very conventional way to fire safety a cavity, right?
Yeah, intumescent strips with an air gap in front of it.
Yep.
That's what you expect to find in 95% of buildings in Europe.
Yeah.
Some have even worse solutions, but this is like the industry standard.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if I would be comfortable if that was my house.
No, I would agree. Yeah.
Vänta och se.
So what we are out talking about this, we are saying that instant flame arrest is critical, right? And this just shows that it is critical because the chimney effect will be effective right away.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And when it comes to products like this and European standards, it is still early days. So I would say ask the right questions, ask for the right documentation, and if there's any ever doubts, then full-scale testing is the best way of fully knowing how your system will perform.
Yeah. Okay, Frank and Ole, whenever you are happy with the test, I think we can end it. And we'll give it a couple of minutes just to cool down, and then they will open up the wood, and we'll have a look inside of the cavity. So here we see the results, and it looks like my prediction came true. On this side, where we have the Firebreather, is more or less intact. Everything, even the windshield hasn't melted. And we see on the other side, where we have the conventional way, we see that the intumescent now fallen down and it still burns. So imagine in a large-scale building, this happening, that would be very critical.